So what I call the 4K rule is taking a look at what we'll call the basic replacement value. If they decided to replace the machine today and go with a basic replacement, no bells and whistles, no extended warranties, no included maintenance, no added incentives with the system, what might it cost them to go ahead and change out a component, not a complete system, right? And so it's very basic. It's going to be your basic equipment. It's not your high-end equipment. It might be even a builder-grade piece of equipment or an entry-level piece of equipment or solution that you've got available, right? So the basic replacement value of their existing equipment, aka the 4K rule, as we see here on the slide, and we basically compare that to see if the repair cost warrants considering replacement. So the formula here is the replacement value equals the equipment age, okay, times the repair cost of repairs for the day. If that number is greater than or equal to $4,000, the customer may want to consider replacement. Because again, obviously your machine is getting up there in age, you're making this particular repair, it might be expensive and costly, and the odds are, if you go ahead and make this replacement, that everything else around that part that you replace is still of the same age of the machine and has probably no warranty on it, and you may be experiencing comfort issues, or you might be seeing your energy bills increasing. This might be the third repair that you've experienced in the last couple of years, and so other factors may come into play here. But if the replacement value does exceed $4,000, then you can comfortably recommend or suggest to a customer, say, you may want to consider a replacement as an option because the age times the cost of the repair warrants at least considering that.